I just thought I'd give a little example of folding because it can be useful. Scraper's always useful to have. As you notice, I'm just dampening my hand with a little bit of warm water. And I'm going to reach in here and gently tug it away from the wall, and I'm going to pull, not until it breaks, but just stretch and fold. I'm going to pull and fold. And I'll do that again. And pull and fold. And pull and fold. I'm going to go all the way around. You'll notice it starts to fight you. It's not as easy to pull anymore when you get all the way around. Pull and fold. And then you go, try to go around the second time. Right now I'm pushing out some of the bubbles. You notice I'm not pulling as deep. And when I'm all the way around and I'm comfortable with how it feels, now for people who are just starting, this is a bit more of a question. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to dampen both hands, and I'm just going to quickly reach in underneath here, turn them over and flip. And then I'm going to let it sit, and then until I either fold again, or in this case it's going to go in the fridge. All done.